African painted dogs. Normally, they are remarkably successful hunters, but this pack of 5 hasn't eaten in days. Finding prey isn't the problem. This herd of lechwe is only a few 100 meters away, but between them is deep water. It's not safe to cross here. On dry land, the dogs can run at over 40 miles an hour, but when threatened, lechwe always seek the safety of water. With their splayed hooves and long hind legs, they can power their way through the water. The dogs can't. The pack won't be able to outswim the lechwe, but they do have a strategy. The dogs drive the lechwe to where they have the advantage. Back towards dry land. Now the pack can regain lost ground. Success today, but tomorrow the pack will need to hunt again.